This is the Carbondale Research Site, formerly Fordwick, Virginia cement plant. It took approximately 22 years from the abandonment of the cement plant in 1968 for revegetation to occur. The lime kiln dust and cement dampened the revegetation, but also played a key role in the pH level and nutrients for revegetation. Over time, acids from various components in the soil and the rainwater acting as the solvent neutralize the highly basic lime dust in the soil to give a more suitable pH for plant growth. Cement is primarily composed of the secondary plant nutrients calcium, sulfur, and magnesium, and two plant micronutrients iron and silicon. These supplied nutrition for the plant growth. There are two predominant trees at the Carbondale Research Site, the eastern red cedar and the Russian olive. The cedar's suitable soil pH is 6.0 to 8.0. The Russian olives is 5.5 to 8.0. They can withstand alkalinity.
Hello again. We are back at the Carbondale Research Site of the Green Science Corporation. We've planted tens of thousands of tree seedlings, tree seeds, and nursery stock. However, the two most successful species here are the Russian olive and the eastern red cedar. The eastern red cedar used to be the colonizing species in pastures of this area before the introduction of the Russian olive. Since the Russian olive's introduction, it seems to be taking the lead, possibly due to its brighter red color of berries and more attractive fruit propagated by birds, as are the cedars. The Russian olive also seems to do better in lime soil than red cedar. As Jacob mentioned, in clean-ups of this type, sometimes it's better to leave certain materials in place, such as iron, which can add to the fertility of the soil for the recolonization of plant species.
Here are cross-sections of two eastern red cedar trees. The larger cross-section is from mountain soil, the smaller is from the Carbondale Research Site. There are no deviations between the two trees' growth rings, likely due to cedar being a predominant tree in this geographical area. Here are cross-sections of two Russian olive trees. The left is from the Carbondale Research Site, the right is from mountain soil. There is a noticeable growth ring difference between these two, the Carbondale Russian olive being the better growth, likely due to less neighboring canopies and less competition for light and nutrition.
If there's sufficient interest, we would like to offer a week-long camping event to come out and pitch a tent or bring your RV or whatever you have. We would like to put on seminars on organic gardening and methods using information from Ruth Stout's book, The Nowhere Garden, and the book, The One Straw Revolution. We would emphasize the minimum requirements for plant propagation and growth. Thank you.
All of the videos uploaded to YouTube were for, of course, the International Year of Chemistry. Thank you for watching my videos. There will be more to come.